Starfish Medical started in Victoria in 1999. At least that's when it moved out of my spare bedroom. So it's a bit of an unlikely story. Victoria doesn't really have this kind of company. British Columbia used to be our whole market. Now it's about 5% of the revenues that we do. What we're known for is being technically strong, high innovation, solid systems, very oriented towards the ultimate success of our client. That really differentiates us. So we would typically work on things like ultrasound or lasers or in vitro diagnostics, all sorts of different technical solutions coupled with a human-centric design approach. In addition, of course, we have regulatory knowledge, we have manufacturing, we have IP knowledge, a number of support systems to allow a device to become successful. But probably the biggest thing is simply that we're focused on long-term success of our clients. We've had a number of successes from entrepreneurial companies that have gone on. The entrepreneurs have started second and third ventures, which I think is really critical. And then we have the 3 or 4 universities pumping out biomedical engineers and other top technical talent that we need, but also people have learned how to really be in a company. So I think it's a very interesting time in British Columbia as we gain critical mass, and I think the next 10 years are going to be really fascinating in the medtech space. I think our biggest accomplishment in 2017 was our expansion. We grew by about 40%. We reached 140 staff. We acquired a company in Toronto and became Canada's only national player in our space. And now we're really well positioned to serve companies in Boston and New York, in addition to the eastern provinces of Canada. We've been lucky to work with a number of the leading medtech companies in British Columbia, and we think that this sector can be much more successful with this sort of capacity in its backyard. We'd love to see the medtech sector be 5 to 10 times the size that it is now in British Columbia.